So human services is a really broad title for a lot of opportunities. We look at the entire lifespan. So we talk about little kids, we talk about those middle years, the youth years, the adult years, the senior years. So our students really have an opportunity when they go out into the workforce to kind of embrace any level of that support to an individual, wherever their interests lie.
My name is Jessica Whynot and I'm a casual at NBCC St. Andrews and I am a classroom assistant. You could work in a school setting, you can be a classroom assistant, you could work in a group home working with youth who are in trouble, you could work in vocational centers for adults with disabilities, you can help in that supporting them. You could work in a college and help support a student who wants to further their career.
I see that a lot of the managers or the senior personnel that are working in those facilities are people who started in those facilities. So they maybe came out of school and were hired into one of those agencies, and they stay there, right? There's a lot of consistency, I guess, in terms of compassion for an organization almost as much as there is for the people.
I've really enjoyed having guest speakers just to hear what their point of view is on their part of their life work and trying to understand like what they do in the field. And I've really enjoyed Job Shadow. We went out and we went to a place every Friday and it just taught us some experience on what to expect for a practicum or judged if what we would like to do for practicum.